The example set by Vietnam indeed inspires towards further achievement and victories in this field. We welcome you, therefore, as friend and brother, and I hope that you will consider the Filipino people as your brothers and your friends. And to the continuing and strengthening friendship between the peoples of Vietnam and the people of the Philippines.
The brief address and the toast of His Excellency, President Ferdinand E. Marcos, in honor of His Excellency Prime Minister Pham Van Dong of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, at this dinner hosted by President Marcos in honor of our distinguished guests from Vietnam.